স্যার, আমি চাকরি পরীক্ষার প্রস্তুতি নিতে চাই এবং ইংরেজি খুব বেসিক থেকে শুরু করতে চাই। কিন্তু কিভাবে শুরু করব, কি পড়তে হবে, কোথা থেকে পড়তে হবে, স্যার বুঝতেছি না। ডোন্ট ওয়ারি, লেট মি হেল্প ইউ। My suggestion will be start with vocabulary. Now you may have question, why vocabulary? Which vocabulary? And where do I find them? Don't worry, in few minutes you will know everything. First, let's ask the first question. Why vocabs? Listen, to understand and learn any language, you must enrich your vocabulary first. Because vocabulary functions as the foundation of a language. If you don't have a good command of vocabulary, your learning and understanding this language will be very slow. For example, suppose you want to cook pasta. You know how to cook it, you know the process, but you don't have the ingredients. My question to you, can you cook pasta? The answer is definitely no. So does vocabulary. If you don't have vocabulary, you can't learn this language. Besides, every year questions are set based on vocabulary. For example, synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrase, appropriate preposition, analogy, number, gender, etc. If you know this vocabulary, if you have a good command of vocabulary, you can answer all this question very easily. Okay? Now there is a question. Which vocabulary should I learn? The answer is, as you are taking preparation for your job exam, you must go through the previous year question. Why previous year question? It will help you understand what types of vocabulary you should learn. Besides, every year these vocabs are repeated. So if you know them, you can answer them. It's very simple. Now, the question arises, where do I get this vocabulary from? Okay, my suggestion, buy a previous year question bank. You will find every vocabulary there. Besides, you also need to learn at least 500 advanced vocabulary that will enrich, that will develop your foundation of English. Where do I get this vocabulary from? Don't worry, I will provide you. To get those vocabulary PDFs, you must follow my Facebook page. The link will be in the description. But before you waste your time in learning vocabularies and torturing your brain, I recommend you should watch this video. In this video, you will know why we forget vocabulary so fast. What are the methods that help me retain my vocabulary for a longer time? And if you still struggle learning English, watch this video too, where I discuss what are the problems we make when we learn any language or learn anything, and what are the techniques and what are the solutions.